Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's your favorite comedian, Pablo FX, Pablo Coin, Pablo BTC, Pablo Waya, and I'm your host for today's food competition between Spanish weighing 367 pounds in competition with young Mele El Chapo weighing 5 and 1 pounds. Any pounds weighing weight. With the competition of 15 fufu each. 10. Okay, 10 fufu. 10 fufu here, 10 fufu here. So they are challenging themselves. Fastest the
first to finish is going with a sum of 100,000 naira.
Yes, I'll be the one to credit the winner. Okay. So are you guys ready?
SS ready.
Too much talk, no day evening mass.
I am. Let's go.
I don't know how this guy take prepare. But let's do it.
I go tell you say na anyways guy come from.
So you guys should start.
If my strength fail me, I go use juju.
Are you ready?
1, 2.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
3, go.
Hey, yeah, Papa.
Spana.
Yeah, apple was the one I very easy to.
Spana is complaining about the apple. That's not the one I can't.
I want to buy young Mele.
Agwa me na Spana had a linearly, no.
What up? I dey bribe one day because we this waterproof guy.
Oh, so I didn't take it. Spana, wow. Over 2 hands, the corner. You know about left and right, Spana. If you know one of the apple, left and right.
100,000 going down. Look at you, the competition.
Spana. You know one apple with left and right. You know one left and right. And that's the apple. You know one apple with left and right.
Left and right is not working.
And the left is the bad in apple. Who target?
Nice.
Spana.
Young Mele, your wife is ashamed of you. You can't make her proud. Don't lose weight.
Continue.
What do you have to say, young Mele? You may kill this year, kill you. When you have a competition, you may kill this. Now 10 fufu go down like this.
No lose hope, young Mele.
No lose hope.
I bet who cook this apple? The fault is from the person who picked this apple.
Your own is too strong.
My own is too strong.
Yes, there is pacha in this thing.
You can't see my face.
Help him, Dad.
Help is allowed.
You don't know Spana.
Help him, Daddy.
Now because I come Lagos, if he come Usuka, I go win am. I swear.
I go come Usuka, I go win you.
Now because I dey in backyard, now I make am dey win me. No wahala.
I dey come Usuka, I go still win you. If you know you are ready to challenge me, drop your comment.
You don't go bribe the people who cook. Carry strong one come for me. Carry strong one come for me. Collect the one wey soft. Now woman being born this guy. I want to know now woman born him. Now woman being born you. And then the leg will come.
I better give him.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, thanks for today.
Young Willie, till tomorrow, I will still win you.
If you come Osuka, I will win you.
Now
Because I come Lagos.
Move host.
If you come Osuka, I will win you.
Move host me.
You don't go bribe the person.
Next match. Usuka next.
Usuka next. I was say come winning.
No one.
Usuka get ready. Usuka get ready for Spanner.
Enter Osuka and come make
Usuka get ready for Spanner.
Be ready next time.
Come Enugu can make I win you. Best man I come Enugu I go win am.
Enugu Ezike.
I go win you. Then still win anybody when I feel bring out from that Usuka Enugu.
Una dey hear am. Spanner say if you come Enugu say go win.
I go win am. Win anybody when Usuka as a whole present.
No wahala.